We're gonna provide a lot of insights and researches on the Vietnamese market in the very next 5 to 10 years. Because understanding the lack of English information out there for your potential foreign investor to make an investment decision. We're talking a lot on the Vietnam's economy in specific fields, and we'll dive in to advantages, disadvantages, opportunities for you foreign investors. Um, we're gonna discuss a lot on policy change, economic problems in the Vietnam's economy, and gonna discuss on the trend manufacturer moving out of China to move to the next alternative countries. Um, Vietnam's economy is currently in a perfect era when we have the massive rise of the middle class, and as well as that, we're also in a golden age era. Our government has signed a lot of free trade agreements, as well as that committed very heavily onto reducing the emissions to zero before 2050. So there's no other times, there's no other opportunities than this to invest in the Vietnamese market right now. We're an investment fund, a sustainable investment fund from Vietnam, trying to raise fund from sustainable investment institutions, banks in the world to invest in the Vietnamese market potentials. We're investing in top companies from private equity market to public equity. They work in technology, FMCG, food and beverages, electricity. So another part of our company, we're gonna help Vietnamese company to sort of rebuild a strategy for your company to first export your products to the United States and China through e-commerce, Amazon, eBay, JD.com. And in order to do that, we have to build to change the company a lot on its to fit with the sustainable standards from the world right now. We from building IFRS standards for your financials to ESG strategy, capacity profile, manufacturing capability, to packaging, global branding strategy and technology, to help attracting better, more foreign investor to come in to your company, as well as uh, sustainable capital and loans from the world's bank and financial institutions. And more importantly, to export your products to the U.S. and China. We have the rise of a lot of uh, free trade agreements from our uh, government's policy, which is going to boost the Vietnam's economy for the next 5 to 10 years to massive.